If you have a garden and you're ready to harvest, then you need to watch this video and I'll show you how. Let's harvest, let's harvest. It's time to eat the food I grow. There are so many things that you can harvest in the fall from your garden. If you're growing peppers, squash, winter squash that is, but it might be summer squash too, peanuts, carrots, and other things, in this fall season is a good time to harvest it. It's raining, but I don't care because I got work to do. Let's go. There's a difference between squashes. There's summer squashes, winter squashes. Winter squashes can be stored for a very long time through the winter. Winter squash. They take a longer time to grow. The summer squash, like your yellow neck squash or zucchini squash, those are things that you want to just eat right away. If you do store it away, you can freeze it. You could even dry it, maybe make some squash chips. I don't know, I haven't tried that, but I know people do all kinds of things like that. Oh my goodness! There are so many things that are hanging here, and these things are all ready to harvest. Come on in so I can show you the different varieties that I have. This Kazakh melon, it's ready. Look, the leaves are dried. Right around this area, it's all dry. The color has changed. It's gotten from green to the yellow deep tint that's inside. This is so sweet. I can't wait to try it. Grab the baby ones too. That means I'll be able to take down this whole plant. It's done. Blue Hubbard winter squash is not ready. It is fully green. This part right here, this stem here, is still very green. It needs to change colors like this. You see the difference? This is fully ready to harvest. This one was harvested a few weeks ago. You see it, the color. It has like this powdery look on it. It's ready. It fully turned that orange color, but I'm gonna go ahead and harvest what I do have out there. Except for the green one, I'm gonna allow that to ripen up more on the vine. I'm by myself here. Who's gonna catch it when it rolls and falls? Let's see what happens. Now that is the toughest stem I've ever met before. Yeah. Okay. Hey! I knew that was gonna happen. I think it's ready because it did not bust open. Cucumber, beetle, fly, whatever you call. Bye. Woo! There we go. There we go. There we go. See, that's what I was trying to do. Yep, that's ready. A Long Island cheese pumpkin just in time for fall. This is very heavy. You see the little yellow little bug on there? That's a cucumber beetle. Bye. This basket is full. Butternut squash. Butternut squash is so tiny, but it's ripe. This one has a little bit green on it. I assume it will probably cure itself. Look at that little cutie. Didn't even really develop well, but I'm going to eat it still. I see some powdery mildew on there. I did battle with that this year, which I typically don't. But this year, I had a lot of leaves and I didn't do enough pruning. So just remember to prune. We're going to leave this on here so that it can continue to ripen. Ooh, this is heavy. We've got a lot of jalapeno peppers. Let's go ahead and you just pick those off. I mean, you may want to use some scissors in case you get that hotness on your fingernail. Just don't scratch your eyes. Make sure you wash your hands properly. Ooh, fresh Christmas pole lima beans. I'll harvest some of these. Also leave some on to dry so that you have them for storage. But I want to try some of these fresh. Picking the pods encourages growth for more pods. Orange small peppers. You can just pick it at the top. Turn it. Oh, I don't know if you all saw that. It's a really tiny one. I like that. Let's see if I can turn this instead. Ah! That fell. Some of my peppers were rotting on some of my plants, like that one. Usually for me, really inconsistent watering is usually when I find the most problems. But these are the problems that can happen when you garden. Yikes. Some pretty green peppers. Another pretty one. There's no perfect way to garden. You'll have ups and downs, but you just keep going. Look at those green long beans. And then some more little lemon beans. Just really excited. Some of them are dry and some of them are not. But the dry ones can be used for storage, but they're so pretty. Have you ever grown beets? What are your favorite beets to eat? And you know that you can harvest the leaves as well. Use them in smoothies or just cook them just like you would any kind of greens. Chioggia beet, which is so good, so sweet. Can't wait to have that. Beets, look at that. There's another beet back here. Some more Chioggia beets, yay! Even has some onions that were here. Look at that, yeah. Cure them in order for them to store longer. Let's see if we can get some carrots out of here. I've left these in here way too long. I just love the beautiful leaves and just left them there, but let's see if there's still some good carrots. This has been here for a very long time. Pardon me. Didn't mean to put that in your face. And I may have got the seed. I don't know. No, look at that. Look at that. There is still carrots in there. Those were so deep. Wow, they grew deeper than my raised bed. Y'all, I was not expecting all of this. Oh, I'm gonna continue working on this because I want larger carrots, but I'm telling you, I planted so many carrot seeds and I did not thin any. So this is still good to me. I get to still eat it. Next time, just take the time to thin them. So happy. Harvesting is something that you just don't do one time. It is something that is done continuously throughout the growing season when your crops are ready. This splitting, that happens sometimes, especially after we've had a lot of rain and this has been sitting on the vine, and I could have probably picked it before the heavy rainfall, but it will still be tasty. And yes, it's okay to eat splitting tomatoes. Just try not to squish them around the carrots. Aren't these so cute? See how I'm picking this one rather than waiting for this orangey looking one to split? Oh, who got this? You know what? This food is not just for me and you. And I really this year have not been spraying anything down for pest prevention just because I really want to figure this out really naturally. So I understand there will be times when my food will be for the other insects or pests and animals, and some will be for me. 3 for them and 5 for me. We both get fed. That's today's harvest. All this winter squash that I'm gonna be able to store for the winter. Some melons to eat for today or tomorrow or this weekend. And then a lot of other cool veggies. Make sure you keep watching this channel and remember to grow, eat, self-care, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.